Hello class, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to post an assignment. So we're going to look on the left tab and click on assignments. Now once you're there, it'll take you to this page where it says assignments. And we're going to do the example of the mini unit plan. So click on the mini unit plan. Okay, so then it gives you the prompt for the assignment, everything you need to include in your assignment. All right, let me go to student view so we know what it looks like for you guys. Sorry about that. So it's going to look like this. Mini unit plan, points 100. I allowed 2 attempts for this one because I feel like every assignment should have a rough draft and then a final attempt. So what you're going to do is click this button that says Start Assignment. You can do a file upload, such as a Word doc. Choose File. I'm just going to do CLA 2. Okay, you can do that. Or you can do a text entry and just do it that way. But I do not recommend that because you can be more organized when you do it on like a Google Doc or a Word doc. So I would just start with a Google Doc, download it as a Word doc, and then upload it as a file upload. And then once you're done doing that, you just click this Submit Assignment. And that is how you upload an assignment on Canvas. Hope that helps.